Okay, guys. Good day and welcome to weekly review of GBPUSD. So I'm going to be going through the charts now. Remember last week we talked about flag limit zone where we're supposed to be expecting a sell. This is the flag limit zone. This is the zone where we're expecting a sell. And remember, we are supposed to see something before we take the sell for flag limit. There's always a confirmation. If we don't get the confirmation, that means that zone can be invalidated. But once we get the confirmation, we can sell. So we're expecting price to do that, you know, get to this point, do something like this, stick out, break, and then sell. You understand? So that's what we are expecting. So I won't, you know, talk so much about this because the previous video where I explained the concept of flag limit, everything is just subscribe to my channel and so that you see more of these videos. I'm kind of tired, but I'm still going to give out these videos because something I plan to do every week. So also if you want to join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel, I will leave the link below the description. Then you can join. It's a free Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel where I once in a while I drop my trade ideas. You're free to take my trades as I drop them. So let's go back to the charts and play price to see what price would do if price would respect this zone and give us a reaction such as this. So this is next week my prediction for price. So I'm looking at a sell actually. So price was going. So we're kind of expecting this to happen. So if we see that zone, then we take our sell. If we see something like that there, we'll take our sell. Okay. Oh, okay. That's very good. So price actually look at what price did. Price actually entered the zone, but this is where we are expecting that reaction now, that break from. So we'll be patiently waiting for this break to happen. Once this break happens, then that's I'll represent it using this diagram. Once this break happens, then we are supposed to look for sales from other block from here downwards, right? But if that break does not happen, that means our zone will be that manipulation zone for last week that we talked about, this zone here. So we are going to play price to see if this break is going to happen. Sorry, if this break here is going to happen. Yeah, that break of structure. So we are still waiting, and this is this is still Monday from the on the 30th of September 2024. So we'll still play price to see. So that zone was invalidated. So once that zone was invalidated, the next thing I did was to place my sell entry here. I also took this trade. Sorry, yeah, I took this trade from here. It was a very nice trade. That's trace 5.6. 5.6. So that's my SL, and I'll be targeting that low. Where is the low? This low right here, right? Let me delete this so that this is the low I'll be targeting. So that's how I got my sell entry from there to that low, right? So the way I do my trades is just as easy like as this. There's no stress to it. We're just trading what we see, right? We're just trading what we see, not what we want the market to do, but what we see. So we took that trade, hoping that it's not going to hit our SL. Then we play price to see what price gave us. Okay, let's play price to see if our SL is going to be taken. So fortunately for us, we're in the trade and we're going. Oh, sorry, let me. Okay, so this is actually 1:9. It was a very sweet setup for me. So we took that sell, it was successful. Now went back to entry, but we still held because we knew what we're doing, right? We knew what we're doing. We need that low to be taken. This low, yeah, thank you. Sorry, so what's happening? Okay, see that low was taken. We knew that low was going to be taken, so we don't want to know. So our trade, we got into the trade on the Monday, and the trade got done around 3 p.m. Started 9 a.m. ended 3 p.m. So that was it for the trade for this last week. So this was only the trade I took last week. Like I said, my last week was boring. I didn't take much trades. So, but I'm still going to play price to see what actually happened. So we are considering this as a break of structure. Okay, I think I took another trade, but okay, that was on gold. I took a trade on gold. Yeah, so I was still on gold because sometimes GBP USD and gold sometimes they almost behave the same way. You understand? So got myself confused. So it's a break. So once we see a break like this, what we are looking for is waiting for a manipulation here. So I'll delete this now. I'll delete this. So it's that we see manipulation here, then we see another break. Please go and watch my video on manipulation setup. It's going to do you good. It's going to make you understand trading. So let's see if we're going to get a manipulation like this high is going to be taken. No, we didn't get that. We saw another break of structure here, kind of. So we're going to play price now. We saw another break there. So we're just waiting throughout. That last week was just a waiting week because I think market have changed trying to sell. We will now be selling in the coming week. I think we'll be selling. We'll be selling GBP USD, AUD USD, but maybe we might be taking some short-term buys. But then it's all sell this time around. So let's just we pretty much we're just waiting for price. We're just waiting for price. We were just waiting. We didn't do much last week. It was all waiting, 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 waiting. It was very boring for me. So okay, play price again. So we got another break, right? So we are getting all this break, but we are not seeing manipulation, right? So we are just going to be patient. We are not doing anything except we see manipulation. That is the goal. That is the goal. That is the goal. We are not doing anything except we see manipulation. So this was just it for gold. I mean for GBPUSD. So that's how price was just dropping, dropping, dropping. I held this trade for sale. That would have made massive, massive money. So that was it. It wasn't much. We just held. We were just. I was just pretty much watching the market. Last week. Didn't take any other trade here. So I'm just playing price for you to see what price did. So we are going to wait for it to do all its price action or action. Let me switch to 5 minutes. Okay, I guess this is where price we stopped for last week. So there was nothing seen here. You understand? There was nothing seen here. So we will be waiting. We'll be waiting to see anything like manipulation, maybe price coming down here now to break. That's why I already marked this place. Maybe price coming here to break. Maybe next week. That's what I might be looking at next week. You know, price coming here to break, then manipulates a little bit, then break again. Then after that break, then I'll be seeing a sell setup from here again downwards. But if I see a manipulation for buys, I'm still going to take it. You understand? But it's the trend is not buy. I think the trend has shifted to sell. So we'll be taking more of the sell. We'll be looking out for the sell setup next week. Starting from tomorrow, which is tomorrow will be the 7th of October 2024. So we'll be looking for sell setups. Thank you very much and watch my next video. Please subscribe and subscribe to this my channel and like the video for more to see more of my videos. Thank you very much.